Let's start arithmetic progression. The meaning of arithmetic progression is arrangement of numbers with some order of addition. The numbers which are arranged according to some order, they are called as arithmetic progression. Example, I taken 4, 8, 12 and 16. By observation of these numbers, we can predict next number. That number will be 20. How this 20 came? 4 after 8 is there, 8 after 12 is there, 12 after 16 is there, 16 after what we can write? 20. It means the common difference between these two is 4 and 8 and 12 the difference is 4. The difference between these two number again 4. So we are adding 4 to this 16. 16 plus 4 will yield to 20. This is an example of arithmetic progression. But you can observe it is not in arithmetic progression. Why? 25 after 35 means 10 difference is there. 35 to 45 it is a 10 difference is there, but 45 to 50 only 5 difference is there. The difference value it is not same means it is not in AP. We can say not in arithmetic progression. Like that, one more example we can take 100, next number 200, 200 after 300, 300 after 400. It means we can predict next number, that is 500. How? The difference between 100 to 200, 100 is there. 200 is added by 100, gives rise to 300. 300 is added by 100, answer is 400. 400 is added by 500. Therefore, our next number will be 500. It is in arithmetic progression because the numbers are arranged in according to some order. Some order is there. Like this sequence, it is called as arithmetic progression. Not only increasing, sometimes the numbers may be decreased. Example, 5 is decreased by 5, answer is 0. 0 is decreased by 5, answer is minus 5. Minus 5 is decreased by 5, it means minus 10. Next number is minus 15. Next number will be minus 20. Arrangement of numbers according to some order, it is called as arithmetic progression. One example I have taken which is not in arithmetic progression, that is 10 after 15, 15 after 20, 20 after 30, 30 after 48. It is not in arithmetic progression because here difference is 5, here difference is 5, here difference is 10. The difference value is changed here. And from 30 to 48, the difference value is 18. The common difference, it is not same. Therefore, we can say this sequence, it is not in arithmetic progression. To understand some basic concept of arithmetic progression, I taken an example of arithmetic progression, that is 4, 8, 12, 16. First number it is called as A1. A1 means first term. 8 it is called as second term. 12 it is called as third term. 16 it is called as fourth term. It is denoted by A1. A1 means first term. A2 means second term. A3 means third term. A4 means fourth term. Observe now. First term I taken A1, that is 4. Second term A2, 8 came. How this 8 came? We taken first number 4 and we added common difference. We got 8. This 4, this is A1 means first term, and we are added common difference value, that is 4. Hence we got 8. Similarly, third number, how it came? 12. 12 came by adding second number. Second number I taken here. Second number means A2. A2 plus we are added by common difference, that is 4. It means we can say A3 is equal to A2 plus D. Third term is equal to second term plus D. Similarly, we can write 10th term A10 is equal to A9 plus D. 10th term is nothing but addition of common difference to the previous term, that is A9. Next, A4. A4 value, how it came? 16. 16 came by taking third term, that is 12. We taken this third term 12 and we are added common difference. Therefore, we can say A3 plus D. Next concept, that is general form. General form of arithmetic progression is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, so on. Last term is A plus n minus 1 into D. First term it is A, second term is A plus D, third term A3 is A plus 2D, fourth term is A plus 3D, so on. Last term AN, nth term is A plus n minus 1 into D. To calculate fifth term, I want fifth term. What you need to write? A plus one number previous means 4 into D. This is formula. a5 is equal to a plus 4d. If you want to calculate the 10th term, that is a10, you need to take a plus one number previous, that is 9 into d, a plus 9d. Similarly, if you want to calculate a50 means 50th term, you need to write a plus 49 into d. This is the formula. You need to remember this basic concept. Next, before starting the exercise 1.1, you need to remember some of the important formulas from the lesson arithmetic progression. First formula, that is how to find out common difference. Suppose one arithmetic progression is there, you can take here 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 if they given sequence to find out common difference. How to find out this one? The symbol is D, common difference value can be calculated by A2 minus A1, second term minus first term. Not only second term and first term subtraction, you can subtract any consecutive numbers, third term minus second term or 10th term minus 9th term, A9. Like this you can calculate the common difference D value. Next, nth term means last term of an arithmetic progression is denoted by an. An is equal to a plus bracket of n minus 1 into bracket d. This is nth term, means last term. To find out the sum of nth term, sum of 20th term, sum of 50 terms, like this. Sum of the nth term can be calculated by formula Sn. The symbol is Sn. S means sum, n means number of terms. Sn is equal to n by 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here n is there means number of term. A means first term. N again number of term. D means common difference, D value. The sum of nth value when an value given. This is also sum of n value only, but when they given last term means an value given, then you need to use this formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into bracket a plus an. N means number of term, a means first term, an means nth term or last term. Just remember some of the formulas. Next, now I am going to show here. Sum of first positive integer Sn is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. Sum of first positive odd integers Sn is equal to n square. Sum of first positive even integer Sn is equal to n into n plus 1. These three you can neglect because from these two formula only. The first one, that is an is equal to a plus bracket of n minus 1 into d. This is very important formula. Next, Sn is equal to n by 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is very important formula. These two remember means we can solve any problems from arithmetic progression. Let's start exercise number 1.1. Question number 1 is, in which of the following situations does the list of numbers involved make an arithmetic progression and why? The question means they given some of the situations. You can observe question number 1, sub question number 2, sub question number 3, sub question number 4. They given some situations. You need to justify, that is the given situations are in arithmetic progression or not. How to check? I will show first one, that is a taxi fare. I am going to read this one, first one. The taxi fare after each kilometer, when the fare is 15 rupees for the first kilometer and 8 rupees for each additional kilometer. In a taxi, if I traveled for first kilometer, I need to pay him 15 rupees. If I am traveling second kilometer, means next kilometer, I need to pay 8 rupees extra to the previous one, means I already paid 15 rupees. Total value here, it is 23. If I traveled third kilometer, I need to pay again 8 rupees to the previous one. Previous I already paid 23 rupees. 23 plus 8, total value is how much? It is 31. For traveling fourth kilometer, I need to pay again 8 rupees extra to the previous one. Previous I already paid 31 rupees plus 8, total value it is 39. You can observe the numbers. The numbers came 15, 23, 31, 39. Are these numbers are in arithmetic sequence or not? You need to justify. How to justify? You can observe the difference between 23 and 15 is 8. Next, difference between 31 and 23 is 8. The difference between 39 and 31 is 8. The common difference D value is same. The D value is same. If common difference value is same, means the given sequence or given situation, it is in arithmetic progression. How to write? Since the common difference is same everywhere, therefore we can conclude that the given situation is in arithmetic progression. Next, question number 2, sub question number 2, you can try. This is practice question. I will solve third sub question, that is the cost of digging a well after every meter of digging when it cost 150 rupees for the first meter and rises by 50 rupees for each subsequent meters. There is one work is there, that is digging of one well. In that well, for first meter digging, they are giving the amount 150 rupees. If we are digging next meter, that is second meter, they are giving 50 rupees extra. 50 rupees extra. Before they given 150 rupees, now they given 50 rupees extra. Total is 200 rupees they given. For digging third meter of that well, they are giving again 50 rupees more than previous one. Previous they given already 200. 200 plus 50, total value 250. Similarly, for digging fourth meter, they are paying again 50 rupees extra to the previous one, that is 250 rupees. By adding this number, we are getting 300. By observation of these four numbers, that is 150, 200, 250, 300. By checking the common difference between each subsequent numbers, that is 150 to 200, how much difference is there? 50 rupees. From 200 to 250, it is a 50 difference. From 250 to 300, again 50 difference is there. It means the common difference D value is same everywhere. We can conclude the given situation, it is in arithmetic progression. You need to write, yes, the given situation, it is in arithmetic progression because the common difference value is same. Similarly, you can calculate this fourth one because this is a homework question or practice question. Now I am going for main question number 2, that is write first four terms of arithmetic progression when the first term A value and the common difference D value are given follows. From this question, they given A value and they given D value. You need to calculate first four terms. I will write one time. They given A value. In first sub question, they given A value 10 and D value they given 10. You need to find out first four terms. First term of arithmetic progression is A1. A1 formula is A. A value they given 10. It means first term is 10. To find out second term of arithmetic progression, formula is A plus D. A value they given 10 plus of D value they given 10. 10 plus 10, answer is 20. The third term of arithmetic progression, formula is A plus 2D. Before I told, to calculate third term, I need to add A plus 2D, one number previous in 2D. I will substitute the values. A value is 10 plus 2 times of D value they given 10. I will solve this one. 10 plus 2 tens are 20. 10 plus 20, total value it is 30. It means third term value is 30. Second term is 20. A4, to calculate fourth term, the formula is A plus 3D. I will substitute the values. A value they given 10 plus 3 times of D value they given 10. 10 plus 3 tens are 30. 10 plus 30, answer total value, that is 40. It means first four terms are, first term it is 10, second term it is 20, third term it is 30 and fourth term it is 40. This is your answer. Next, sub question 1 over. Sub question 2 you can take practice. I will take third one to solve now. Third one they given A value 4, D value minus 3. Third one they given A value 4 and D value they given minus 3. You can observe D value they given minus 3. I need to find out first four terms of arithmetic progression. First term of arithmetic progression, that is A1. A1 always A value they given 4. To calculate second term A2, the formula is A plus D. A value they given 4, D value they given minus 3. One positive number, one negative number, it means subtraction. 4 minus 3, answer is 1. Bigger number is 4, it is having plus, means plus 1 only. It is second term, it is first term. I will calculate third term A3. Formula is A plus 2D. I will substitute the values. A value they given 4 plus 2 times of D value they given minus 3. I will solve this one. 4 plus into minus is minus. 2 3s are 6. one positive number, one negative number means subtraction. Subtraction of 4 and 6, answer is 2. Bigger number is 6, it is having minus, it means minus 2. It is third term. I will calculate fourth term. Fourth term formula A4. Notation is A4. Formula is A plus 3D. A value they given 4 plus 3 times of D value they given minus 3. 4 as it is 4. Plus into minus is minus. 3 3 is a 9. One positive number, one negative number, subtraction. 9 minus 4, answer is 5. Bigger number 9, it is having minus, it means minus 5. So I got first 4 terms, that is first term I got 4, second term I got 1, third term I got minus 2, last term I got minus 5. These are the first 4 terms of arithmetic progression. Third one is over. Fourth one, it is a practice question. Now we are going to learn sub question number 5, that is A value given minus 1.25, D value they given minus 0.25. One time I will write. They given A value minus 1.25 and D value they given minus 0.25. We need to find out first 4 terms of arithmetic progression. First term, that is A1. A1 value always A value they given minus 1.25. Second term formula is A plus D. A value they given minus 1.25 plus D value they given minus 0.25. I will solve this one. If two numbers are having minus minus, we need to add these two numbers by writing minus symbol. Minus minus is there, I written minus symbol. I am going to add these two numbers. 1 plus 0, answer is 1, point as it is. 2525 or 25 plus 25, answer is 50. To calculate third term A3, formula is A plus 2D. I am substituting the values. A value is minus 1.25 plus 2 times of D. 2 times of D value is minus 0.25. We will solve this one. Minus 1.25 as it is. Plus into minus is minus. 2 into 0 is a 0. 225 is a 50. We can observe these two numbers are minus minus is there. If two numbers are minus minus, we need to add these two numbers by writing minus symbol. Minus 1 plus 0 value is 1. 25 plus 50, answer is 75. It means third term it is 1.75. To calculate fourth term A4, formula is A plus 3D. I am going to substitute the values of A and D value. A value they given minus 1.25 plus 3 times of D value they given minus 0.25. Minus 1.25 as it is minus 1.25, plus into minus is minus. We are just multiplying these two numbers. 325 is a 75, point as it is. 3 0 is a 0. We are observing these two numbers are minus minus is there. If minus minus is there means what to do? You know already, that is we need to add these two numbers by writing minus symbol. I written minus symbol. I am going to add these two numbers. I will side add this one. 1.25, 0.75. You can observe 5 plus 5 is 10, 1 carry. 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 2 is 10, 1 carry. Point as it is point. 1 plus 1 is 2. Your answer is minus 2.00 or minus 2 is your fourth term. We can observe first term it is minus 1.25, second term it is minus 1.50, third term it is minus 1.75, last term is minus 2. We are going to write first term it is minus 1.25, second term is minus 1.50, third term is minus 1.75 and the fourth term it is minus 2. This is your last answer. Okay, main question number 3. Let's learn main question number 3, that is for the following arithmetic progressions, write first term and common difference. They already given sequence or they given AP. You need to write first term and you need to find out the common difference. First they given 3 1 minus 1 minus 3. I am going to write one more time. 3 1 sub question 1. Main question number 3, sub question number 1. 3 1 minus 1 minus 3. They are already given sequence. You need to find out first term as well as common difference. In the given arithmetic progression, first number it is called as first term. It means A1 first term, that is first number 3. Easy is there. To find out common difference, I already told common difference can be calculated by subtracting first number from second term, or a2 minus a1 formula. a2 means second term, that is 1, minus of first term, that is 3. One positive number, one negative number, subtraction. 3 minus 1, answer is 2. In these two bigger number, it is 3, it is having minus, it means minus 2. First term is 3, common difference is minus 2. You can write a value, it is 3, common difference it is minus 2. Second one, you can take, it is a practice question, you can solve in your home.